Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today video topic about 4 ways to make money with your small business website. Okay, so let's check out. You have finally got a website for your business because you know it's the key to getting found by new customers who start most of their searches online. But your website can do more than raise your visibility in search result. It can also provide another revenue stream for your business. uh, so First step is build an online store. If you have a brick and mortar retail shop, selling your products online is an obvious choice to expand your market. But other businesses can benefit from having an online store too. Own a coffee shop or bakery. Okay, and then step number 2, let customers book appointments online. Worldwide access to global knowledge is great, but I think the real benefit of the internet is being able to book appointments without a phone conversation between two harried people who toss out days and times until one works. And step number 3, share your knowledge online. Once you have been running your business successfully for a while, you will probably have insights other people will pay to learn. Writing, design and coaching business are natural fit or online one. And next step is add ads and amplified links to your small business website. Okay, with a decent amount of traffic, your site can also generate revenue through amplified links and ads. Affiliate marketing is a big business and just about anyone with a website. Okay, that's it.